welcome to systemadminworld.com. Today we are going to discuss about my newly released book, Deep Dive into Kubernetes. This book is all about the Kubernetes engine and all about the Kubernetes understanding concept. What is the Kubernetes concept? Okay, today also I want to thanks to all my readers, book readers, and I can see a lot of people are enrolled this book. The day one it is started and published on the Amazon, and there are a lot of response on Kindle also, which is digital version of my book. And in this video we are going to discuss about the all the chapters involved in this book and how this book is benefit for you and what outcome from this book. Okay, so the first chapter we are explain about the Kubernetes, what is Kubernetes, and definitely details about Kubernetes, the concept about Kubernetes, what all concept and object available in Kubernetes, and what is benefit in your traditional infrastructure or environment. So also this chapter will be explain about virtualization and physical your traditional data center or infrastructure, virtual infrastructure, and what is the container infrastructure, and how the Kubernetes is taking place to manage those infrastructure, especially of the containers and the Docker environment. So definitely the second chapter is more about understanding on the containerization. So Docker is the one of the containerization product, and in this book we are explaining the Docker, understanding about the Docker and the moral, what is the Docker and how it can be integrate with the Kubernetes and how it can be configured and what are different components involved in the Docker and as a container. Third chapter, definitely we are going to small step-by-step installation for the Docker. So we are explaining all the step prerequisites to install the Docker on your lab environment, testing environment, or various other flavors to install it, whether it's on Linux, Windows, or Mac. So we are not going to explain entire Docker installation in deeply, but definitely it will be benefit for you to understanding the Kubernetes perspective. So the Docker, we are first of all detailed installation about how you can set up your Docker environment or container, Docker container environment on your laptop or your desktop OS like Windows 10 or your Mac OS or your Linux desktop version. And again we are going to explain how to install it on the production or enterprise environment like Ubuntu servers, LTM, LTS, and again Mac servers or Windows 2016 or newly version. Okay, so this third chapter will be very benefit and good for you to understanding Docker installation, which will be build your Docker environment or container environment on your lab. So we are going to explain the Docker installation type only to benefit for the container Kubernetes management and how the Kubernetes can be integrated with the Docker. Okay, moving to the fourth chapter. Fourth chapter is more about the Kubernetes API and API objects. So all object related to Kubernetes API and how the API work in Kubernetes. It's more about the mix and match like administration and the management or development. So we will be get more about development and configuration related information in this chapter. The fifth chapter is more about Kubernetes cluster and architecture. So this is very important chapter where we are going to explain about all Kubernetes cluster components, objects, each and every objects detailed, explaining details. So you need to go thoroughly and deeply in this chapter, and you will get more deep understanding and all the information which is related to Kubernetes architecture and how it is work in standalone and how it is work in cluster environment. So cluster object and Kubernetes object deeply explained in this chapter, which will benefit to build your lab environment and production environment with the cluster configuration, high availability, and make you load balance your services or microservices which will be deployed on your container or Kubernetes environment. So the sixth chapter is more about the Kubernetes networking. So this is again another good chapter which will be explain you about Kubernetes network configuration or Kubernetes network setup to baseline environment, how the Kubernetes port configuration, then your network configuration, network inbound, outbound rules configuration, then your network security configuration, and network traffic flow setup, and it will be all explain the concept how the networking work in Kubernetes. So this is from basic to advanced information involved in this chapter. Seventh chapter, we are going to discuss about the actual Kubernetes installation, and this is the very good chapter. You will be enjoy this chapter because we are going to install the Kubernetes from your test lab or your local desktop or Windows 10. We are took the example here, Windows 10 OS, which is Windows Pro, and we installed the Kubernetes on test environment, as well as we are explained installation on the Ubuntu Linux environment, which is the production environment you can use. Also, we are explain about the cluster component configuration and networking configuration, then how you can deploy your Hello World microservice on the your Kubernetes container based Docker platform. And finally, this chapter has to be involved, and this is important. Without this chapter, we will be not completing this book. Obviously, it's a cloud and Kubernetes. So how the Kubernetes integrated with cloud. So now cloud is more usable platform or usable providers. So we involve basic understanding about all the Kubernetes services available on the various providers like AWS or Azure or your Google cloud platform. So this chapter more about the cloud setup, like how cloud services, Kubernetes service can be utilized to integrate with your on-premises Kubernetes or containers platform, and how it can be utilized purely infrastructure as a service or platform as a service. So both the services you can take the advantage in infrastructure as a service as well as the platform as a service. So this is all the 8 chapters we are involved in this book. This is a very good book, and we are trying to make this book for beginner as well as the intermediate or the master people, so who can want to start on Kubernetes or start understanding on Dockers. So this book is very useful for those guys. You can go on Amazon.com. We are published this digital copy over the 12 countries and the paperback copy over the 9 countries. You can order your paperback copy, or if you prefer digital copy, you can go on the Amazon.com. Kindle is the main digital source platform we are used to deliver this book. So if you are Kindle unlimited subscription users, then this is good news for you. This book is totally free for you who can have the Kindle unlimited subscription, and enjoy this book.